Frisky by Dominic, Fike. So we're starting off straight with just an open A string, no hand needed. Then on the D string, we're letting that A string ring out. We're going 9 to 11 hammer on that D string. So, and then 9 to 11, and then 9 on the G string. So altogether it's open A. Then you go back to the 9th fret on the D string. So then we're going 11. You're gonna pick 11. You're gonna pick 9 on the A string. So 11 on the A string, 9 on the A string, and you're gonna slide back to 7. Cool. So nice. After that, you've got just simply 9 on the top string to 7 on the A string. First line is cool. So we've got an A flat major, so a 4th fret major chord on the top string. Then you go to the A major, so the 5th fret. Cool. The next part, we're doing an open E this time, and then we're doing the exact same shape as up here on the 9th fret, but we're doing it on the 4th fret. So 4, 6, 4, and back to 4 on the D string, so 4, 6 on the D string, 4 on the G string, back to 4 on the D string. Cool. Then with our 3rd finger, we're going to grab that 7th fret on the A string, and then we're going to put our middle finger down on the 6th fret of the D string, and we got the shape. Cool. Then we're going 9th on the top string with our pinky. Then you hit that shape. Thumb on the 7th fret of the top string. And 5th fret top string, keeping that shape. And then we're going. And we're kind of going down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up. And it cuts out. In the live recording, I think he cuts out a little bit later than in the track. I think on the track he cuts out on the upbeat. But in the live recordings, he goes and goes all the way down to the down. Cool. Then after that, for the whole song, you're basically rocking on an A major. Down, 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 up. So you're rocking on the A major. Down. Then you're rocking on the C sharp minor. So we need a 4th fret minor shape. So it's the same as that 4th fret major, but you move down a string. Yeah. And you're chucking some chuckers in between. And then, if you want for fun, you can do that. That is just 14 to 12. So.